Sebastian, and I went to Newcastle Junior Senior High School. When I was in high school, like, a lot of it didn't matter to me. Like, I just kind of cruised through it. C and B student. Like, I just wanted to get done with it. Got to this trade school, and it was exactly what I needed. You do it yourself, and you get that experience and that knowledge yourself, but you also have an assistance from a teacher, which is something I always wanted in high school, never got. The resources I have here have helped me not only secure my future for right now, but for the next 20 years, for the next 30 years, for the next 40 years. Like, every bridge you drive over has a weld on it. Most of the buildings you stand in are welded together. It's just about finding something that matters. It was about finding something that mattered for me and that other people could also see and kind of appreciate. If I had the chance to tell somebody to come to NCST, what I would tell them is, if you have the chance to come here and you can come here, do it. Go to NCST. Honestly, just do something for yourself that you know you're gonna love and appreciate.